Right now, Afghan refugees in our community are working against the clock to get needed paperwork finished before the one-year deadline of their arrival to the U.S. Local 5's Mary Sugden spoke with lawyers helping families navigate this process and joins us to explain what they are up against.
Samantha, for some families, that deadline to complete these documents is coming as quick as next week. Their legal status is at risk if they don't meet that cutoff. And while multiple organizations are working together to help get this done, they say more experts are needed.
This is a time of a lot of stress in the Afghan community right now.
For Afghan evacuees, there's 3 types of status they can apply for: a special immigrant visa, temporary protected status, or asylum.
Many Afghans will be applying for asylum, which is a path to permanent legal status in the United States and permanent protection.
Ann Nafier and Allison McCarthy are 2 of the experts helping Afghan families navigate these lengthy documents.
We've screened about 170 families, and right now we have less than 15 pro bono attorneys perhaps who have stepped forward being willing to take on an asylum case. So clearly we have many families who right now do not have any representation.
And with that heavy caseload, the clock is ticking down to the required deadline.
We can tell that the Afghan community is getting very concerned about this because for many of them their 1 year is coming up August 25th or maybe even sooner for some of them.
The Women Add U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services has issued a policy statement saying if someone arrived to the U.S. on parole, they'd get an extension. All Afghan people airlifted out of Kabul were granted parole.
However, it's not a sort of totally clear exception, and there's still some case-by-case evaluation that has to be done in each person's circumstances.
And if they don't meet the required deadline, it's their legal status at risk.
So we're really talking about our allies possibly becoming undocumented immigrants in the United States. And I just cannot believe that Americans or our elected officials want that to happen.
Now, more legal experts and interpreters are needed. If those are skills that you have and you'd like to help, you can reach out to the Drake Law Clinic. Now, these women are hoping that the Afghan Adjustment Act will pass in Congress. It's legislation they say would free up resources and help many families. Mary Sugden, Local 5 News, we are Iowa.